So we are on our way to see Keeta's brand new truck for Majic. Ooh, it's coming. Hey.
Okay.
All right. Where is it?
So I'm confused.
What are we looking at?
Keep going.
Keep
going.
Keep going. Okay.
Keep walking.
Ah! It looks even better than the picture.
Woo!
I don't have the keys. Mitzi turned them into Jackie.
Well, is it unlocked?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Let me go get keys.
I'm riding around and I'm getting it. I'm riding around and I'm getting it.
All right. Okay, so we got wheels too. Get the wheels.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's I like it.
Those are pretty.
See, this is what you get when you get hired at Town Square Media and become a radio personality.
Yes,
you get a new vehicle.
You get a new vehicle. Look at
Hold on, what is this? Is this the new power one?
I think he did get an SUV.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's-
Yeah.
I think
Whoa.
Yeah, that's cool. What is this?
An Equinox.
We have nice things at Town Square Media.
Ooh.
It's a truck.
Yeah, looks good.
Yay!
Like it.
It's been a long time coming. Oh, did you get my get this? This was important because that was my concern about getting a truck when I have a cover or whatever. But I do clearly so.
So we're
Magic's
gonna
in the
get
house.
to
Magic's in the house.
Magic's in the house.
when are we gonna get to ride around in this?
How about today?
Oh, today?
Yeah. Okay. So here she comes with the key.
Keys to the bed cover or in the front console.
Okay. All right.
Think we have a parade coming up soon too.
Honey.
Did she say hi, honey, to the car?
Right.
Ooh, scandalous.
Yes. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet because she's a she, right?
Yeah, name her Lisa Ray because she are white.
Lisa Ray.
You know Lisa Ray
wears only
wears
white.
all white.
Yeah, but she said something crazy recently, so I
Oh,
don't know about
okay.
it. But
Maybe.
anyways, so this is the new whip, and soon
Snowman after Jeezy.
Somebody, I swear you hood. But you do know I love Jeezy. But this is about to be transformed. Oh, you come in, get in. Tell Andy, you can come.
Andy, you can get in.
So soon this baby will be wrapped with Magic
me to the
logos and Steve Harvey's face.
Yes.
So look at this, 2 cup holders.
I don't know who's gonna ever ride back there, but
Get in the front seat. Get in the front seat.
come on, Maria. Do we have any gas? Let's see what the system sounds like.
They filled mine up that I drove back.
Okay.
Ooh, and it's full.
And my station is already on.
Did you do that, Andy?
No, Mitzi drove this. I put that one on
So that lets me
95.9.
know Mitzi actually listens to it.
That would've
Oh,
been
she does.
odd if Kicker came our way.
And what's this one?
But see, doesn't this look, no, this looks nice.
Yes.
Safety deal here, putting on your seatbelt.
Oh, yes. Put on your seatbelt.
Okay, so I can check my surroundings right here in my rearview mirror. which
Oh,
is pretty
wow.
cool, versus looking down there somewhere.
That's right.
But I don't trust it, so I have to turn around.
I feel like we're like reviewing.
Now, we don't have insurance on it yet, so just be careful.
How about I not hit my car first of all?
Jackie says, well, we asked her if we had the insurance. No, not until we get it back here. And I go, and I said, so I'm driving.
Really?
You gotta get the gas.
And see, I backed in because it was easier for me. I figured whoever was going to pull up because I know he's got a remote on Saturday.
It's
And he's
actually